Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review over this automatic hair curler that was provided to me for a review. So everyone has probably seen these. I know I've seen them trending on TikTok for a long time and I've never gotten to try one out. So I am really excited to try this. But first of all, let's talk about this box right here. The gift packaging is amazing. So this would make the perfect gift, and Christmas really isn't that far away. So I just love that they have kind of that little bow on there. So I love the packaging. And let's go ahead and unbox this and see what this has inside. Okay, this is cute. So it's got I love the colors of it actually. So this is what it looks like. Something very different than anything I own. And it also comes with the manual right here. So we're probably gonna need that. So I do have some one-day-old curls in my hair. So I am gonna just kind of brush through these just to make sure that there aren't any tangles in my hair. So get the tangles out first, since we are going to be wrapping your hair around it. So I think it's probably best to start with tangle-free hair. So, okay, so it says in the directions to hold this power button for 1.5 seconds to power it on. So you could hear that it just turned on there. And then it does have 4 adjustable temperatures. So depending on if you have really thin, fine hair, all the way up to if you have really thick, coarse hair, you can choose the temperature depending on that. I am going to do actually the 200. It says 200 Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. And another feature that it does have these little left and right buttons. So if you're somebody that typically curls your hair backwards, you can easily click a button without actually manually having to do that. So this would actually be a great tool in hair salons, because I feel like as a stylist, you're constantly having to spin your hand and use both hands. Like this, you can just use one hand, hit a button, and done. So I really think stylists would love this for a salon, but let's see how it works first. And it is already very, very hot on the inside, so it heats up extremely quickly. I just kind of barely went like this, and yeah, it's steaming hot. So it's only been a few seconds and it's already heated up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm a little bit nervous, I have to admit. I'm gonna start with a piece about this thick here, and then if it's too big, maybe I'll just go down a little bit smaller. So I'm going to just stick my hair in there like this, and then I'm going to push the button that's going to go backwards with it. Okay, not bad. It's not pulling at all, so that's good. So as soon as you feel like all of your hair is wrapped, you can go ahead and let go of it. Oh, okay, that definitely works. That is a tight curl right there. So that's crazy how good that works. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do a piece a little bit larger. I didn't think it would work on a really big piece, but let's give it a try and see. Stick it in there, hit the button. It's so gentle, there's no pulling whatsoever when you wrap it around. Oh wow, love the curl. This was a very large piece I did, and you can just see that curl. And I also love that it actually curls it all the way up. So here's another large piece, fairly large piece here. All right, stick the hair in there like that, just kind of hold it and then just wrap it. And again, it's so gentle the way it wraps. There's no pulling whatsoever. And I love that I have my hands free, and all I got to do is just sit here and wait for it. I don't have to do anything with my hands. Also, this right here does not get hot. So if you have children, or maybe a preteen daughter that wants to start learning how to curl their own hair, this would be perfect for her. You don't have to worry about it burning anything when they set it down. So literally that's perfect. Okay, so wow. I love this. This is so crazy. So I'm going to go ahead. Let's finish the rest of my hair and let's just see how it looks whenever we're finished. I will also mention that this does have professional tourmaline ceramic coating, so that is going to help seal in the moisture. It's going to reduce frizz in your hair. It's going to be great for static, and it's also going to add a lot of shine. Okay, I'm all finished. So I did the majority of my hair. I probably left a few pieces out back here, but I'm just kind of letting it cool down a little bit. I mean, that took me literally maybe 4 minutes. Since the curls are so tight, I usually don't get this tight of curls with a curling iron. So since they're so tight, I'm gonna go ahead and brush through it. So keep in mind, I do have very fine hair, so my hair does not hold curl really, really well, but this is freaking gorgeous. So I absolutely love this, especially the fact that I can brush through it and the curls are still there. So I think the only thing, again, I've never used this before, so I'm just going to do this little piece right here. The bangs, I'm usually kind of like, I have a hard time with, even with the curling iron, trying to like get it right. So let me try this part. I absolutely love the curl pattern, how this looks right now. So let's do this. Hopefully I hit the right button. I think I did. Okay, so let's get this little piece here and let's see how it looks over this little piece. This is gorgeous. The curl pattern, it's not like, it's more of like kind of like a beachy wave instead of like a curling iron wave. I love it. And it's so shiny. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's curl, or let's go ahead and brush this out here. Holy mackerel. Okay, the amount of volume I have. You guys, this thing right here is absolutely amazing. I had no idea what to expect, and it works great. So again, I had this on around the 390-degree setting. I was able to use a brush on fine hair to get the curls out, and they are still in there like, I mean, amazing. It's bouncy, it's shiny. Absolutely love this. I am so glad my daughter's going to be able to use it. She's not going to burn the house down with it. So I highly recommend this product right here. Go check it out.